Okay, let's go with the lesson. 2 counts. New dance here in Southern California. So excited to share it with you. Alla Damn Bama. 32 counts, 4 walls. Here we go. Are you ready? So first 8, heel and heel, starting with the right foot. Heel and heel, and so heel and cross with the right foot. So right and left and cross, unwind all the way around. It's a spin. So it looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel and cross, unwind. Shake it to the right, shake it to the left. Awesome. One more time with words and then with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel and cross, unwind, and right shake, and left shake. Good, with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Perfect. First 8 counts. First 8 counts. You've got it. Then we do some syncopation. Our right foot's just shook on our right and shook on our left. And we do an and cross with the right foot doing the and cross, hold and cross. So we just did shake it, finishing the last 8, second 8, and cross, rock, and cross, and step, turn. Okay, let's break that down. So to the right, we're staying on our 12 o'clock wall. We do and cross, rock, and then go the other way, and cross, and a turn. So our right foot's free. It does the and cross, hold, and cross, hold, rock, and cross, and pivot, turn, or you could do a heel dig turn. Our class has been trying several of those, and we like the pivot turn best. Fun, you can make it your own style right there. So the second 8 is syncopated. So it starts with a and 1, hold, and 2. So and 1, hold 2, and 3, 4, and 5, hold 6, and pivot, turn. So the and goes on the 7th left leg, pivot on the right, because you want your right foot free for the next 8. So let's try that again. We just did shake it, and cross, rock, and cross, and pivot, turn. Right, left, a quarter over your left shoulder to face the 9 o'clock wall. One more time, second 8. It's a little fancy. It's syncopated. So we start with our right foot, and cross, rock, and cross, and pivot, turn, ending up with our right foot free. With counts, second 8 with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, hold 2, and 3, 4, and 5, hold 6, and 7, 8. 7, 8. Change your weight, very important. Okay, first 2 8s together. Whoa, starting with the heels. 5, 6, 7, 8 with words. Heel and cross, unwind, and shake it, syncopation, and 1, hold 2, and 3, 4, and 5, hold 6, and turn. Weight lands on the left. With counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Awesome. Third 8. We're going to do sweep backwards with the right foot. So sweep, 4 of them. Now we're going back. We're facing our 3 o'clock wall, and we're going back. So we just did our pivot, turn. Our right foot's free to sweep to the back. And that's a little bit different than what we're used to doing. So Make sure you're leaning after you do the pivot. Turn, lean back so you can go right, left, right, left. Sweeps. They don't have to be big. You can make them really big. That's fun. But just doing a little sweep works. Right, left, right, left. Good. And your weight ends on your left. So this is our third 8. We just did first 4 counts. Then we do a toe and a slide left. Slide on the right, but end on the left. And you have options there too. After the 4 sweeps, 1, 2, 3, 4. Some people do a heel and a slide step. Some people do a toe and a slide step. We like to go a little bit to the left because your next step starts with the right foot going behind. So that sets you up really well. So let's try our third 8 going backwards with the sweeps. With the right foot, we just did our pivot step. We do sweep, 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 toe and slide left. Good. With counts 5, 6, 38. With counts 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Awesome. Let's put those first together. First 3 8s from the top. 5, starting with the heels. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel and cross, unwind and shake it. And shake it. Syncopation and 1, hold 2 and 3, 4 and 5, hold 6 and 7, 8 and sweep 2, 3, 4, toe and slide left. Slide, landing on your left. Okay. All right, let's move on. Fourth 8. We're going to stay on this wall. This is our new wall. Our 3 o'clock wall is our new wall. Yay. So we're going to stay here for the last 8. And it starts with a sailor step with the right foot. So sailor step left, sailor step. 2 sailor steps and 2 kicks and points. So sailor step right, sailor step left, right and left, left and right. And you're ready to start again with the heels. So let's do the last 8 one more time. We just did our toe and slide left. Sailor step, kick and point, kick and point. Awesome. Let's put it all together with words and then with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8 with words. Heel and cross, unwind and shake it and cross, rock and cross and pivot, turn, go back, 2, 3, 4, toe and slide and sailor step, kick and point, That's it. That's it. Okay, with counts from the top, 5, 6, we can do it, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, hold 2 and 3, 4 and 5, hold 6 and 7, 8, go back, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, sailor step, I'm supposed to count, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, with counts, last time, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, hold 6 and 7, 8, go back, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. You've got it. Okay, on Alabama, there is 1 tag and 2 restarts. Great news. they happen on your home wall, your 12 o'clock wall. So the second time you come to your 12 o'clock wall, your home wall, which is really your fifth wall, you start and you just did your kick and point, kick and point. Then we do our 4-count tag, shake it and shake it. Then we start again, heel and heel. You do the whole sequence. You go around again, around, and then you start it on, you're starting on your 9th wall. The third time you're at your 12 o'clock wall, and you do 8 counts, and then you start it all again. So it looks like this. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is our second restart on the 9th wall. The third time you come here, we do 8 counts and then restart. So it looks like this, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start again, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you keep going and you're done with restarts and tags.